Hey guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this video, we'll show you how to build a client portal in Notion. So you can just build a clean minimalist dashboard tailored for your client's active project phase. So you can just create a brand new page. Okay, let's add a page, new one. And in here guys, just name it. I'll just name it test 123. And after that, you create a new field and then type /full width. Okay, full page. All right, and also in the left column, you can build an asset delivery database using the /board view. And then just click plus and then choose board. And at the right column, you can create a meeting notes and transcripts list database. Okay, and here just type in a name, choose board, choose list, and press done. And then you can just open up a new chat and we can use AI now. Now you can just type in summarize. And when you paste a raw chaotic quarter-2 alignment transcript into this page, Notion AI will extract the key deliverables and action items in seconds. If you want to use AI, just press and type in build a client portal, and it will assist you in many ways, so you don't have to do it from scratch. Okay, and now just open up the page, and as you can see, this is your client portal. There you go. So that is it, guys. Pretty simply done. Enjoy, like and subscribe as always, and see you in the next one.